You can rest assured of your child's excellent performance when you register your child with Janan Schools, Bombo Kalule Campus and Kabalagala. Due to their firm educational background, we have the best facilities in both arts and sciences, fully updated to the latest sector standards, right from Senior 1 to Senior 6, in an environment that offers a chance to apply practical skills in all fields. That include a computer lab, introducing our students to the tech world, a well-organized science laboratory, a fully stocked library with all the essential books a student may need, a model farm to equip students with all the basic knowledge in agriculture, plus extra vocational skills. We promote co-curricular activities in sports like badminton, table tennis, basketball, volleyball, chess, and many more other activities. Register your child today at both campuses in Bombo Kalule and Kabalagala campus. For more information, contact us on the numbers below.
Bakozi ba Museveni oba muri bakozi b'abantu ababalonda. In the same breath, I use this opportunity to address what you've all have been seeing in the media. I returned to a burning online protest. That online protest was the hashtag Uganda Parliament exhibition. That protest was aimed at unearthing and exposing the rot at Parliament and the grand corruption and theft at the Parliament of Uganda. It exposed so much about the corruption by the leaders in the regime. But unfortunately, even the opposition leaders were spared. My Deputy President and Commissioner of Parliament, Right Honorable Mathius Mpuuga, was named in that scandal. There was an allegation that Honorable Mpuuga, together with Anita Mong and other commissioners, awarded himself 500 million shillings. It was disturbing, but after finding what I thought was credible evidence, I summoned a meeting that involved all my deputy presidents, the party leadership, including Secretary General, Deputy Secretary General, and other respectable leaders. In that meeting, my Deputy President, the Right Honorable Mathius Mpuuga, admitted that indeed he took part in this wrongdoing. He admitted that he wrongfully awarded himself 500 million, and to make it even worse, this was supposed to be personal to order for him, not those that came before him, not those that are coming after him. It was a sad moment. However, as leaders, we advised him to honorably do three things. First, return that money because it is dirty money. Number two, to apologize to the nation. And number three, to resign from the commission as a sign of goodwill, as a sign of integrity. We wait to see whether the Right Honorable Mathius Mpuuga heeds and takes on the moral action that he was advised to do. But again, it's on this note that I want to remind all of you leaders that I told you that I will not cover up for any corruption. I will not be like Museveni, whose ministers steal money meant for Karamoja iron sheets and he covers up for them. In any moral country, many more people would have resigned than that. And in a new Uganda, we commit to fight corruption. Therefore, we must lead by example. We must do what we are promising the people. You cannot give what you don't have. If you don't have integrity, you cannot give integrity. We have a strong stand against corruption, and we intend not to just talk against corruption, but to act against corruption. However, we also committed that if our comrade does the right thing to disassociate with corruption, apologize to the people of Uganda, and resign from that commission, then we shall be willing to come together, rehabilitate him, and then see how best we can move together. So now it is upon him to heed to the noble call and do what is right. Dr. Martin Luther King taught us that the ultimate measure of a man is not where he stands in a time of convenience and peace, but where he stands in a time of controversy. This is a time, and we have to be defined by our actions, not by our words. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for God and my country.